I bought a fishing rod. Actually, I bought a kid's fishing rod. So I was in a store looking at all these different fishing rods, and I saw this rod, and I was thinking about buying it as a gift for a little 5-year-old. But I thought, you know what, that kid probably doesn't need a rod, and I do. So now I bought it. So what I have here is a South Bend rod. It's a South Bend Take Me Fishing. It literally says Take Me Fishing. It's the name of the rod. And we're going to take it fishing. So this is a medium light action spin cast rod. That's what it says. And it is made in China, so we know it's going to break. Everything made in China breaks. Like your mom.
Stop it. Get some help.
Alright. I'm here on my ranch at this pond, and I do know there's a lot of fish in here. Now in this pond I've always had extremely good luck with the rooster tails. Wow. Okay. Wow. That was insane. I'm already impressed. This thing feels like $3, but it casts like $20. Dude, what was that? Like the fourth cast? And it barely hit the water, and this guy just freaking swallowed it. It's a small little guy, but still. That's the first one right there. Ah, that's cool. I need y'all to help me out. What is this? What kind of fish is this? Here in Mexico, I think they call them mojarra. I believe so. And at first I thought these were bluegill, but I don't think these are actually bluegill. Or are they? Let me know in the comments. I honestly don't know what these are, so let me know. Dude, get away. He came running after me. All I know about those fish is that when they hit, it feels like a big fish. Once you pull them out, it's just like these flat looking things. Frisbees.
Waking up this morning, waking up before it's getting.
Felt like it was like a 10-pounder. That's a little.
Now some moments back in time.
Dude, there's a huge fish right there. Did y'all see that? Right over there. That's a monster fish. Well, oh, now I'm stuck. Oh no. All right, now we're stuck. Dude. That was a monster right there. That's a huge fish. That's a carp though. I don't like carp. I got it. Let's go. I yeeted that thing, man. He's gonna go tell his friends that he flew. No one is gonna believe him.
I'll do it again.
We're gonna do one last cast right here, and then I'm gonna head out to the other pond.
Before we go any further into this video, let me talk to you guys about our sponsor. So this video is actually sponsored by Coyote Apparel. If you didn't know, that is my very own brand. If you want to check out our super cool caps, Coyote t-shirts, or stickers, or anything else we put out in the future, go to coyoteapparel.shop.
All right, we are at our second location now. Now I got a spinnerbait on this Take Me fishing rod. No way.
Why are you running? Why are you running?